Hello friends, good afternoon. May dalawa po tayong basket ng mga apples. And these apples are called Golden Delicious. And they are our favorites. Golden Delicious is one of our favorites apples aside from Fuji. So Fuji and Golden Delicious, our favorites, guys. We love this golden apple because they are so good in making cakes, guys, or in any kind of pastry. Yeah, it is so good. You have to try, guys. You have to try, people, this golden apple variety. Yeah, I planted one last spring, last March or April, I think. And we planted one golden and one Fuji. So those are our favorites. Okay guys, so what we are going to do today is we are going to process these ones, because as you can tell that they started to become, or they are turning into mushy. This one fell, that's why, guys, it has this bruise, and we are going to process them before they all go bad and soft. Okay, I will show how I make it, guys. Alright guys, so I just finished washing them and I am using this 10-liter bucket, guys. So the apples is 10 kilos and look, it fits in here with my bucket. Now we are going to peel and slice as well. So we will use this big stock pot, guys, to put all the peels and cores, and we are going to make a vinegar as well. I don't have any machine, guys, for peeling apples. I only have the knife and this peeler. So let's try this peeler. It's like I'm faster using the knife than this peeler. guys, our stock pot is full. We are going to put at least a kilo of sugar in here. Alright guys, so the pot or the stock pot is here. It's ready. Now we are going to turn on the fire. But first we have to add water. Wait. We have to add sugar. This big one, guys, as you can see, it's big, this pot. So we are going to add just a kilo of sugar. You can put any kind of sugar you have. You can add brown sugar, vanilla, yeah, organic, white sugar, any sugar you have available. Let's add this sugar. Alrighty. So I am just adding white sugar, guys. I'm not sure if I'm going to add all the kilo. I think this is 800 grams. At the moment, I don't put all, guys, all the sugar. Okay. And water, so the bottom won't burn. Alright, so this is the level of our apples, guys. You can see that it's totally full. Once I close it, it won't close. Can you see? There's a gap between. So you will see it later when we cook this down, because it will maybe until here later or less. Okay, see you later. And now here is our cake now, guys. Our puff pastry with apple compote. Nenas. Ay. I will try it, guys. Yummy. Russell wants to try it as well. So delicious. Alright guys, can you see the level is here already? Before like this, right? On top. Now it's like this. Alright guys, so this is the consistency that I like. The only left is the juice, but I reduce it as well. Luckily I didn't put all the sugar, guys. Can you see the level of the sugar? Yeah. Luckily I didn't put everything because I just tasted and it's so good. It's not that so sweet, guys. It is just nice. It is perfect for my taste bud. So it's okay. Yeah. And now let's turn this off, prepare all the bottles and can it and water bath it for 10 minutes. Now it's time to fill the cleaned jars. I washed the jars with hot and soapy water already. Once the jar is filled, debubble, clean the rim, and then I put the lid on. Alright guys, so here are the jars of our apple compote, and in total I made 21 jars in different sizes. Yes, so I am very happy, so happy, because guys, once I make the puff pastry with this one, with this apple, and then I can just take one of these instead of two of these small ones. I will use this one, but if I'm going to use the small ones, then I have to take two of these. Yeah, that is why guys. And I also made these two, or I also put in these two small bottles, because if our kids, if they have tummy ache, something like that guys, they can eat this one. Normally here in Spain, once you have tummy ache or you have diarrhea, then you can take apple, you can just boil it, or just like what I did, and then you can eat it, and it helps to ease, it helps for the tummy. That's why I put into these small jars, this one, and of course the rest they can eat whatever they want. And they can also use it for snacks, or for snacks just the plain one, just like applesauce, or they can add into their yogurt to sweeten. They can use this one as well to sweeten their yogurt, because we love it so much guys. It is a very good and delicious dessert, so really good. It is one of our favorites dessert or snack, or yeah, when we have something very special to celebrate, then I can make. We love the puff pastry dessert guys. Yeah, so I make this puff pastry because once you have this apple compote, it is very easy. Just put the puff pastry in the oven for 15 minutes, take it out, and then put this on top. And then, because this one is cold because it's outside of course, and then put it to the oven for at least 8 to 10 minutes just to warm up the apple compote. And then voila, you have dessert. You have instant dessert or instant snack guys. Thank you so much guys for accompanying me making apple compote and making apple vinegar. Please like this video, subscribe if you haven't yet. If you want to see more content of like that guys, then please subscribe and follow along. I would really love you guys to join us in our channel. So once again, thank you and God bless. Hope to see you again on the next video. Bye.